In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start setting up payments in HubSpot using Stripe, so you can accept money directly through your CRM with confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account with the right permissions to manage payments and integrations. Once you're in, look toward the main navigation at the top of your screen. Find the section labeled Commerce. This is where HubSpot keeps everything related to selling, payments, and revenue tools. Go ahead and click on Commerce to open up the Commerce workspace. Inside the Commerce area, you'll see different options related to quotes, invoices, and payments. What you want to focus on here is the Payments section. Click on Payments. This will take you to the central hub where you manage payment methods, transactions, and in this case, your Stripe connection. If this is your first time setting up payments, HubSpot will show you a Getting Started page with an option to enable payments. Look for the button that says Set up Payments and click it. This is the entry point for connecting a payment processor like Stripe to your HubSpot account. After you click Set up Payments, HubSpot will guide you through a setup flow. The first screen usually gives you a quick overview of what you're about to configure. When you're ready to move forward, click Next to continue. Don't worry if you're not entirely sure about every detail yet, you'll have a chance to review the important settings as you go. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to choose your payment processor and specify your region. Since we're focusing on Stripe, look for the option to select your country or region that will apply to your Stripe account. Click on Select Country, and from the drop-down, choose the country where your business is legally registered. This is important because it affects things like currency, available payment methods, and compliance requirements. Once you've chosen your country, continue by following the on-screen prompts. HubSpot will either open a Stripe setup window or redirect you to a Stripe sign-up or login page. From there, you'll be asked for business details, banking information, and verification documents, all handled securely by Stripe. Simply move through each screen, provide accurate